What is up, guys? Thanks for tuning in. We're just going to jump right into it today. We are talking about clogged ports on the Acura MDX today and all the carbon buildup. So there's 3 passages. There's 1, 2, 3 on each side. 4, 5, 6. And as you can see, there's tons of carbon buildup, and that you want to clean out. You don't want that much carbon buildup inside your vehicle in the intake manifold. So let's clean it out and get some carburetor cleaner and a wire brush if needed, and go ahead and clean all that carbon out and make this thing look pretty. So let's do it. As you can see here, that is an unhealthy amount of carbon buildup, and that needs to be removed. Take a look at these EGR ports and these. See how small they are? That's going to cause restriction in the EGR system. So make sure you clean it out. Alright, so now the passages for the EGR are nice and open and clean.